Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Use Googletranslate formula in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to automatically translate words or phrases right inside your spreadsheet without copy-pasting into a separate translator, this video is for you. By the end, you'll be able to seamlessly translate text between almost any languages supported by Google Translate, saving yourself tons of time and effort. Let's jump right in. For our demo, I'll walk you through translating some basic English phrases into Japanese just to give you a clear example. But remember, this method works for hundreds of language combinations, so you can adjust it for whatever you need. First things first, let's set up our data. Imagine you have a list of phrases in English that you want to translate. Maybe you're putting together a multilingual travel guide, or maybe you need to send messages to colleagues in another country. For this tutorial, let's use these 5 simple greetings. Hello, good morning, thank you, how are you, and I am fine. Go ahead and enter each of these phrases into individual cells down a column in your Google Sheet. Let's say you put them in cells A2 through A6. Now here, where the magic happens, click into the empty cell where you want the first translation to appear. This will probably be the cell right next to your first phrase, so if hello is in A2, click into B2. Here you'll type in the Googletranslate formula. Once you're in that cell, enter. Equals Google Translate A2 and ya. Let me break that down for you for a second. The first part, A2, is telling Google Sheets which cell has the word or phrase you want to translate. The second part, N, stands for English, that's your source language. The third piece, Ya, is for Japanese, the target language. Of course, if you wanted to translate from Spanish to French, you swap out those codes for E's and FR instead. Google Sheets uses standard language codes, and if you're not sure, you can always look up the right abbreviations online. Alright, once you hit enter, you'll notice that your English word instantly turns into Japanese in that cell. It's really that simple. Sometimes it might take a second for the translation to appear, especially if you have a lot of text or your internet connection is a bit slow, but don't worry, just give it a moment. Now, rather than typing this formula over and over for every phrase, there's a super convenient trick. Just click the little blue square at the bottom right corner of your translated cell and drag it down through the column. This will copy the formula down, automatically adjusting it for each phrase in your list. Every English phrase should now have its translation in the cell next to it, all in one swoop. It's like having your own personal translator built directly into your spreadsheet. And that's all there is to it. You can tweak the formula anytime for different languages or even use it with whole sentences. Just be mindful that occasionally automatic translations might miss subtle meanings, so double check if you're working with critical documents. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more translation tips. Subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials on mastering Google Sheets and other great tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.